Welcome to the RWD 5-channel small animal anesthesia machine installation video. The video has been divided into two sections. First, anesthesia machine and accessories display. Second, anesthesia machine installation. First, anesthesia machine and accessories display. After receiving the package, please check all outer packaging for damage and seals intact and not torn. If there is no damage, use a utility knife to open the package. Please note, when taking out the vaporizer, please use both hands. Do not hold the dial to cause it to fall off. Please take out the following items: main support, vaporizer, dosing adapter, isoflurane anesthetic, installation tool, inlet and outlet, gas filter canister, gas evacuation apparatus with weight monitoring, air pump, tubing, inlet adapter, mounting bracket, anesthesia mask, main tubing, user manual, manifest, calibration certificates. Second, anesthesia machine installation. Take out the two screws and twist it to the vaporizer mounting assembly. Do not twist all in. Hang the vaporizer on the screw holes of the main support, and use the screwdriver to tighten the screw. Take out the inlet and outlet, connect them to the respective tube, and install on the vaporizer mounting assembly. When using air pump as gas supply, take out the inlet adapter, and install it on the air inlet of the main support. Connect the tube from the inlet adapter to the output of the air pump. When using oxygen as gas supply, take out the oxygen hose, connect the hose from the air inlet of the main support to the outlet of the pressure valve. Tighten it with a wrench, turn on the gas supply switch, adjust the output pressure value to 0.3 megapascal. Cut the tubing to the appropriate length for subsequent connections. Take out the induction chamber. Connect the tube from the chamber port on the main support to the inlet port of the induction chamber. Take out the bellow tube. Connect the tube from the canister port and the induction chamber to the small gas filter canister. Take out the silicone tube. Connect the tube from the mask port on the anesthesia machine to the animal end of the anesthesia mask. Close unnecessary channels. Take out the gas evacuation apparatus, put the large gas filter canister on it, and connect the bellow tube to the waste end of the anesthesia mask. Place the anesthesia mask onto the mounting bracket. Please refer to the provided user manual for more details. The installation part of the RWD 5-channel small animal anesthesia machine is finished. Thank you for watching.